Hey guys, so we are now officially in star review time. Okay, star review. Wow, I'm thinking freshman. Okay, we are now in AP Bio exam review time. Okay, so these next 2 weeks before your test, we're going to be reviewing units 1 through 6. Sorry, guys. Oreo wants to say hi, apparently. Hi, Cookie. Okay, so we're going to kind of do quick review, and the way I'm going to kind of set it up is helping you guys make little cheat sheets, okay? Okay, Oreo, that's enough. Okay, I'm going to help you guys make little cheat sheets, like one sheet documents, so that way you can have them and use them during the AP test if you need. Now remember, yes, the AP test is open notes, but it is not open like internet because they're going to use a secure browser through College Board that won't let you like open up any other tabs or anything. If they see that you've opened up tabs, or you're using the same internet but like you're doing the test on your laptop and then you like look stuff up on your phone, it's the same IP address. So they're gonna that's a red flag, so they know that there's issues. So then they're gonna penalize you for it and you won't get scored. Okay, so we have to be very, very smart about this, which is why I set it up the way I did. Okay, now what's gonna happen is you're gonna go to resources. Okay, I'm just gonna kind of show you guys how everything is broken down. Okay, so it's AP Exam Review Week 1. I'm gonna click on that. Okay, so we have this week units 1, 2, and 3. Okay, next week we kind of combined, or I kind of combined unit 2 and 4, because unit 4 is over mitosis and cell communication and stuff. So I just kind of put that in there with cells. So next week we'll do units 5 and 6, and then kind of just like an overall review. Now, what I am going to do is the end of this week and the end of next week, I'm going to have another whole class, whole group video chat, probably on Thursday or Friday. Y'all tell me what you want, so that way we can all come in and I can kind of go over practice FRQs with you guys, answer whatever questions you have about the test, because it's in 2 weeks. Okay. But yeah, so for the rest of this, so let's just say we're going into unit 1, right? Let me kind of show you what all I have here for you guys. So each one, I have practice FRQs for each unit. Okay. So tons and tons of different practice FRQs. So here's like the first question. So the first FRQ, and then the very next page is the answers. Okay, so it's basically so you can see, so you'll look at the question and try to answer it right, and then you'll check your own answer using this to see what College Board is looking for in the answer. Okay, now obviously some of these you may have seen before, because I could have given them to you, or you've seen them on your tests or online assignments, okay? But yeah, this is basically how it's all going to go down, okay? So the very first one is going to be practice FRQs for you guys. Now, I found these cool things called sketch notes, because some of us are more like visual people with like diagrams or drawings and things like that. So I kind of put this in here for you guys. They're kind of sketch notes that I saw and found where you kind of go in and you can like fill in certain, things, certain aspects. Some things are blank, so you would have to like fill it in. So like the purpose of protein, the elements in protein, the monosaccharide, polysaccharide, things like that. Okay. But yeah, so there's different sketch notes for that. If that doesn't work for you, it's totally fine. Okay. This is just kind of like another way to break it down. but this is for water and like the functional groups and, different things like that for biochem. So then here, the quick study card. So basically what this is just 10 items of, making your cheat sheet. So this is what's going to be your grade this week. Okay, so for this week, what you're going to do is get a piece of paper. Okay, you can do it like online if you want to draw and things like that online. Sure, I just think it'd be easier on paper. But your grade for this week will be you creating a 1-page sheet for each unit. So by the end of this week, you should have 3 sheets of paper. Okay, yes, you can do front and back. So like unit 1 on the front, unit 2 on the back, and then unit 3 on the next one. Right, but however you want to set it up. So for example, this is all for unit 1. Okay. There's 10 different things. So maybe you could like split up your page into 10 different boxes, like however you want to do it. So it'll be diagram 5 water molecules, showing polarity, hydrogen bonding, define and give an example of cohesion, adhesion, and surface tension. Okay, so you would draw that. Draw those 5 water molecules showing the polarity, so where it's more negative, more positive, where the hydrogen bonding is, and then define and give an example of each of those. Okay, so that's like one box. Then you would make a chart of the most important atoms used to build macromolecules and which macromolecules contain which atoms. Okay, define hydrolysis and dehydration synthesis. Make a chart of the 4 categories of macromolecules. Okay, include their monomers, an example, general shape, like the different types and things like that. Then you would diagram the parts of an amino acid. We've gone over that a lot, especially with protein synthesis. So yeah, you get the picture. Now what I am going to do is at the end of the week, I will post basically the answers to these cheat sheets to show you guys like my example of how I did it. But for your grade, what you can do is you can take a picture of your sheets and send it to me. Okay, so you can take a picture of your sheet, send it to me through email, through Instagram, through Remind, whatever. Just send me a picture of each unit cheat sheet. Okay, and that will be your grade for this week. If you send me a picture of it, you'll get 100. If you don't, I have to enter in zeros. Okay, the district is mandating that if you don't log in, you don't do any of your assignments, we have to enter in zeros for you guys. So if I haven't heard from you or I haven't, you have zeros and are failing for progress reports and stuff, then it's because you haven't done any of your assignments or you haven't logged in and ignored Miss Taylor this entire time. So I understand we all have work, everything like that. Be openly honest with me and communicate with me about everything. But yeah, so your grade for this week are 3 one-sided, or like 3 cheat sheets for each unit. Okay. So yeah, that's what you're going to do. There's nothing on College Board this week. Everybody needs to make sure that they can log into College Board because your exam will be on there. Okay. Hopefully this helps and makes sense. If you need more clarification, please let me know. If you need help with any of these, please let me know. There's a lot in here for practice and for review. So yeah, I guess I will talk to you guys later, and I will send you updates about that in-person video chat. Okay, bye guys.